complaints, just a little bit of soreness in the lower back?
Mm-hmm.
And you said that's been going
off and on? Pelvis area.
Back and pelvis?
Mm-hmm.
Any clicking?
No, no clicking. I was gonna say, you know what, I didn't even think about it, but I have clicking in my jaw. Years ago, doctor said, or a dentist said I had, I forget the full name, but TMJ. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We can check that out today too. Look all the way up to the ceiling and down to the floor. All right, look this way, to your right. Mm-hmm. Any pain in the eyes? Tightness?
Yeah.
I'll push down on the top of your head, okay? You can go ahead and lay on your stomach a little bit. I can bring that headpiece up if you need it. Have you guys lived over here?
I got this house just a year ago.
Nice.
I bought it, and then the next day, it closed, and the next day when it delivered. So I just ended up doing virtual. But I was gonna say, he had bought his house like 6 months before I bought my house, and I just wish.
All right, with a straight leg, so don't bend your knee. You're gonna lift this leg up off the table. All right, and then you down, and then do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Any discomfort, or was one more difficult than the other?
My left leg was more difficult.
Have you been adjusted before? Okay, so this is an activator. Sounds like this. It feels like that. Okay. And we're going to focus on your sacrum. Okay, lift this leg up. And then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
The left one was a lot better.
Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. All right, this one first. Beautiful.
Oh my God.
And then the other one. Better?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and we have a short left leg, just a little bit though. Go ahead and lay on this side, facing the TV. We're going to adjust your lower back, all right? So you're going to just scoot your pelvis a little closer to you. A little bit more. Right there. All right. So you're going to give yourself the soft tugs and focus out. And just like this. So what's going to happen is we're going to adjust your lower back. I'm going to push your upper body that way. And I'm going to slightly pull your lower body to you. Okay? So you may hear a popping noise. It's perfectly normal, okay? Lean back for me. Look over. Perfect. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good. All right, whenever you're ready, flip over to the other side. Just like that. Take this one just a little bit. Drop that shoulder back and look that way. Look that way. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. Yeah, beautiful. All right. This area we're going to get with you standing up. This area we're going to get right now. Pick your head straight back. Let that ear fall right there. Deep breath in. All the way out. Okay.
I was like terrified, but
You were terrified.
yeah.
All right, pick your head straight back. And let the other ear fall. Just let it go.
Oh, that was good.
Lay on your back. Let this ear fall. Good. Okay. Beautiful. fingers behind your head. Okay, and yep, my arms are gonna come through here. You're gonna follow me, okay? You're gonna get the big stretch, deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go. Breath in. One more time, deep breath in. Let everything out. Look up to the ceiling. Look up. There we go. You can relax. Good. Put your head on me. 1, 2, 3. Pretty wild, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna do your arms and legs now. So I'm gonna have you're laying your back. And we'll have you prop one foot up at a time, just to secure your lower back. I'll start. To the side, just like that. Knee up and let it fall, just like that. There we go. Prop your knees up. Okay. Little pull here. Deep breath in. All the way out. So I'm going to adjust your pubic symphysis today. Do you know where that's at?
No.
Well, it's not important where that's at. The only thing I'm going to be touching is your knees, though, okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to kind of keep them. It's not like a strength competition. You're just going to keep them right here in this position. I'm going to separate them just slightly, okay?
Okay.
All right, just hold them there. All right, 1, 2, 3, hold. That's it.
Oh,
that was perfect.
Okay.
All right, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Good. All right. So now we also want to work on your uterine ligaments. Got one on each side. So we're gonna find the tighter one. It was actually on your right side compared to your legs. So we're gonna work on that today. So the only thing we do is I just take 2 thumbs and I just apply a little bit of pressure, and we just let it release. So find your belly button for me, right there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And pull this down just a hair, right there. Just gonna take a deep breath in. And just hold it all the way out.
just think about like all the times I was in school and kids would be cracking their bodies, and I'm like, oh, mine doesn't do that.
Alright, we're gonna work on your jaw, okay? Alright. So what I'm gonna do is ask you to open your jaw very slowly, all the way. And back. Close it slowly. And open it again. Slowly. And one more time, close. One more again. One more time. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna place my hand on your jaw. You're gonna do the same thing, but I'm actually gonna be pulling it in this direction, okay? Alright, okay. Close. Try it one more time. Open, and close. Now try it again. Again. See what we got. Open. We gotta do some work on it. Alright, so this next one, I'm gonna have you like separate your teeth. Just kind of let your jaw relax. I'm gonna use this part of my hand. I'm gonna kind of swipe it down the side of your jaw. Okay. So you're gonna let your head fall this way. Let your relax. So open that jaw just a little bit for me. Deep breath in. One more time, deep breath in. Alright. I'll try it again. It's still popping, but not like it was. So we're going to leave that alone for today. We do a lot. There's a lot of nerves in the body. We do a lot of work. You can lead to a headache. I don't think it'll give me a headache. Alright, good. And we're going to go ahead and sit up. 1, 2, 3, and lean over this way, or try to keep this way. Alright. So look all the way up to the ceiling. And down. Feel a little better? Good. You want to stand up and walk around and see how you feel?
I know this already don't hurt, so.
Say that one more time.
I said this area already don't hurt.
It don't hurt? It's
Yeah.
good. So you have a short left leg. So we went ahead and adjusted your pelvis. Typically it's because your pelvis is a little bit out of alignment. We definitely cleared out that middle part of your back. And then we knocked all of it out. Next time we're going to want to work on your jaw. Try and help with that because those glitches. Has it always done that?
It started up about 10 years ago. I don't know if it always, but it was like one day I was in my dorm room and I was eating popcorn and my jaw locked, and then like it continued to happen. So I went to the dentist and they told me that, and they've just been telling me to, you know, hot and cold compress and just avoid eating like snacks. So like I just stopped eating chips and like popcorn and stuff like.
Did you chew ice or do you chew ice? Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't even like I wasn't a gum chewer. It was just like I was literally just eating popcorn, and like that's when it happened. So sometimes I try not to eat this stuff, but sometimes if I go like on a binge,
it'll lock up on you? Like as far as you can't open it?
So it'll lock up two ways. Either I can't open it or I can't close it all the way. So yeah.
Okay.
It's been fun. But it hasn't locked in like maybe 2 or 3 years.
How's it feel right now?
It feels good, but I don't know, because the thing is I feel like mentally I've just trained myself not to open my jaw all the way. So it's like even when I eat now, like I never open my mouth like that wide. So
we're gonna definitely work on that. We gotta get that back.
Yeah.
Okay. So kind of move around, walk around, let everybody know how you feel.
Whew. I mean, I'm feeling good. Like, way better than before.
Way better. Good. Excellent. Go up.
I was saying my hips have been killing me the last 2 days. I just assumed it was the pregnancy, but yeah.
It probably is the pregnancy, but due to hormones that are released during pregnancy, it causes things to expand, to loosen up, those ligaments to loosen up. So you're adding more weight here.
Yeah.
This is becoming less stable.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why it's very important to try to stay as aligned as possible. Decreases that tension that can build up in those areas.
Gotcha.
So yeah, we'll definitely keep that up. All right, everybody, this is Dr. Howell of Atlanta's Mobile Chiropractor. Until next time.